Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Hope you guys had a good Tuesday. All right, guys, we're just going to chill and hang out on the charts here. We're going to look at the metrics to see what's going on with Bitcoin, kind of deep dive into that. I want to just show you guys exactly what I do in the morning. I want you to pretend like you are literally just sitting in my house and we just gathered a bunch of our friends and we're all crypto traders and we all got together at my dinner table and we're going in. It doesn't matter if you have $100 or if you got millions of dollars. I've coached all of them up to billions of dollars. So we're going to figure out how to make money in this market today, okay? I'm also going to be trying to inject, let's see if it actually lets me inject. I'm going to try to inject $14,000 right now into the Coinbase account, show you guys how to do that. So it'll be a fun video today. So I just want to keep it chill and show you guys what I do when I wake up and like, how am I going to make money today and what am I looking at? So let's do that. All right, guys. The program I'm using that I created, it basically, we've never lost a trade. We've won 102 for 102 wins, and we've never lost a trade, and we do very, very well because we just use really good risk management, and our indicators are just super, super good. You guys know my backstory, maybe some of you guys. I coded indicators for TradingView.com customers 2.5 years ago, and it's how I made my living. And I coded these three, and I've never taken them off. They've literally given us all of our profits. So definitely make sure you guys get these in the description. I'll go over them right now because this is where I start in the morning. But these three indicators right here, just so you guys know, you have 2 days left, and the prices are going up for these three. So make sure you guys snag those. All right, first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is I'm looking at this bad boy right here. I'm looking to see what are all the retail trader indicators doing. Most of them right now are bearish, and people are probably going to be looking to sell this. We are getting close to a descending trend line. This is basically a descending resistance, and I'm looking for people to say, hey, we're getting close, and we're looking for this sell-off right here. So that's what I'm looking for as far as a retail trader perspective. So, okay, check. I've got that. Looking down here. Price versus money flow. What am I seeing happening here? Well, this is very interesting because we're seeing the money flow very strongly into the market right now, and this has been actually happening while we've been in a downtrend right here, if you guys can see this. So let me take this price out here just a little bit. I'll show you guys a reason of why I think we can get to 70,000. So I'll show you a precursor. I was literally like dreaming about this last night for some reason. I want to share it with you guys. And it actually like makes sense now that I'm seeing this. We're getting a low and another lower low on price structure. So when I wake up and I see this, I'm like, okay, I understand that's what price action is doing, but what's actually happening with the flow of money? That's why I look at this over here. If you guys can see this, the pink line represents price. This created a low and another lower low, but this actually showed that money was pushing into the market, which actually is why I believe we're getting bullish today, because we're seeing money flow into the market as it moved down. Now, if you take a look at this over here, the trend exhaustion got to the bottom red section. So this morning I'm like, okay, this is good. This is actually a very bullish sign in the market, guys, like very bullish. Trend exhaustion low with the well money flow moving up here, that's good. Like this is a very good sign, okay? We know in the past that when the trend exhaustion gets low and the well money flow gets low at the same times, this is where, we got some crashes, but we start moving back up very quickly and we start seeing these moves back up. When the trend exhaustion is very high and the well money flow is very high, this is where I start to look for crashes back down in the market. And if you guys were able to see this on Bitcoin here, I know I'm on daily time frames. I'll switch over to 4 hours in a second, but I wanted just to show this to you guys this morning. When we look at this high and this other high here, what you saw was price action heading up very quickly. But if you look straight down, here's the power of why you guys need this indicator. I'm not even going to just sugarcoat this thing. You need this indicator. What showed you guys was happening is we were clearly seeing money move out of the market here with the well money flow. It moved out of the market, guys. Look at the trend exhaustion. This is saying we are exhausted from moving up. This is an overextended market calling the biggest drop that we've seen, in the last 7-8 months. It was predicted simply by looking at the flow of money right here. Money was flowing out while price structure was moving up, okay? That is why you guys need those. They are very, very powerful. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, let's come down here just a little bit of a smaller view here. I want us to be looking at this formation right here. This is what's called a descending wedge, and I'm looking at this morning. So again, we have the trend exhaustion high on the 4-hour and the well money flow is very high here. And we've got a lot of retail traders on the 4-hour going long. This tells me this is a place to look to actually sell the market. So I'm looking for the move up here, just to simply this structure here. And then I'm going to possibly be looking for a move back down because these are so high. When these indicators down here, again, the trend exhaustion, price to well money flow, when these are high up here, this is where I'm looking for drops. You guys can see it called the drop there. We can see it even called the small one right here with the trend exhaustion high. So I'm definitely just I'm observing it this morning when I'm looking at this. I'm like, okay, here's what's happened in the past and we've gotten some drops. So it would be very smart of us to be looking at this and saying, okay, well, if this is what we've seen in the past for a drop, and we saw this happen over here, which predicted the entire, bear market here pretty much, I'm going to be watching for a drop on Bitcoin as we get up here for a move back down. Okay. Now, here's the bullish sign that we could be seeing. And I'm going to go over the metrics here because I'm looking at this as well. And I'll inject the money as well in this video. It'll be a fun video. Okay. So if we break this line up here, what I'm looking for is a break, a retest, and then we could see a nice pump up here to the upside. Because of two things. This would not only create a break and a retest, which is bullish, but this would also create a reverse head and shoulders pattern. Do you guys see that right here on the chart? So we've got two patterns coming up here that could not calling 100,000 on this, but we could just simply reach structure high again, which is 70,000. And I do absolutely believe this could be happening before the end of quarter one. Okay? Let's just move into, I was gonna say, you guys better get money in the market. Let's get some money in the market. How about we do this? So let's deposit some money. We're gonna go deposit. We're gonna go USD. We're gonna do a transfer. I'm just making sure I'm not showing like any crazy bank details over here. I wanna just keep these all private. So there's my bank, and I'm gonna enter in $14,000 today. So let's do $14,000 and let's preview this deposit. Yes, I like that. That's my portfolio. The fee is 0, and we want to do USD, deposit USD. Okay, preview deposit. Let's take a look here, see if we got this. It's instantly withdraw within 6 days. Awesome deposit. All right, let's see if we can go up here. 120. Does it move up to 134? We'll find out, or else I'll have to record this video again. All right, trade immediately. Don't wait for your bank. Cool. All right, so we're going to do done. And boom. All right. We're at $134,000. Okay. Later today, I will be calling out in the Telegram channel for all of you guys what I'm buying exactly with that $14,000. So make sure you guys are in the Telegram channel. I'll show you guys in a second here how to get into our program and all that. But I want to go through here we're sitting at my table this morning. All right, the emotional index for Bitcoin. This is going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time along with all of our metrics, and I'll show you guys how to get these in a second. The emotional index down here, we're sitting in the fearful and anxious section, which is good. Honestly, this is actually very good because retail traders, when they get very anxious and fearful, this is when the whales and smart money buy, hence why we're buying right now, why I'm buying right now. I do think this could get very bullish very soon. That's why I've been injecting a total of $49,000 within the last 2 days. Okay, long for short trades, looking over here. Short trades are moving up here a little bit. Long trades are moving out. That makes sense. I think people are looking at this, we're approaching this descending resistance and they're like, man, let's see if we can short this out here. Let's see if we can make some money. But I'm telling you guys, one of these times it's going to happen where people are going to go short here, and then the price is actually going to keep moving up here, and then it's going to catch all the short traders on the wrong side of the market. They're going to have to flip their positions. They're going to be on the same side as people going long, and this thing can get extremely bullish. That's the setup I'm looking for a $70,000 move. Take a look at this. Trades in favor. What am I looking at today? Definitely down here for a good long trade. That's why I'm going to be setting up trades today. Well, in institutional smart money, what are we seeing over here? We have the Empire State Building over here on the demographics for the smart money. These guys are buying this dip. This is exactly where I bought. So when you guys saw me come out here and I said I was injecting $49,000. I bought it right when this happened over here. I saw this over here and I'm like, man, if these guys are buying this hard, I want to get some money in the market. And so we're buying again right here on the way up today. So this is definitely bullish, guys. Wells institutions are buying this, just to let you know. I mean, last time this happened when we dipped here, we moved back up because they bought so much of it. And then, right when we got back up and we thought we were going to keep going, short trades came out for smart money and then they dropped the price completely back down. You guys get access to all these metrics with our membership. So you guys can have so much fun with all these. All right, support resistance prices. As far as a pump up here, I'm looking at this area right around this $44,000 area. So 44,000 pushes us right around this area. It's correlated to this structure low as well as this like structure high right here. So if we can break this, that's bullish because it's a break above the descending resistance. So I'm definitely going to be watching that. But I'm watching this over here today, to be honest with you guys. We're in this top section, so I wouldn't doubt if we see a little bit of move back down. If we overextend ourselves, we need to watch very carefully what happens right here. And if this does break up, that's going to be very good for us because we're all probably going to be seeing a lot more money in our account because this could be a break and a retest. Again, I want you guys to watch that. All right, let's move down. Dollar cost average entries. So for dollar cost average entries, guys, this is basically if you have like $10,000, you want to throw $1,000 into the market. That's awesome. You guys can put it in here and watch for those every morning with our metrics. Exit points on Bitcoin, we're going to watch for this to come up here. And the next time we end up getting a red bar, we're going to be looking for exit points because that's where great exits usually come. It's been doing a great job at calling this. So I'll definitely be watching this as we get back into the bull market. Now take a look at this, guys. We are still sitting in a death cross. The 50, this is the last metric. The 50 moving average is below the 200-day moving average. So we are in that death cross right there. Okay, guys. Overall, if I can conclude this, guys, we're just looking bullish and it's time to enter money into the market. So how do you enter money in the market? Let me show you guys a trade setup right now you can take. Okay. Our membership, let me just make this fast, guys. All the metrics you just saw, all the trade setups I'm about to show you guys where I take all of our trades, as well as how you guys get into the Telegram channel to get access to me and all the exits, as well as how you guys get into the inner circle where I'm coming out with masterclass training now. I'm trying to be doing this every single week. You guys can come down here and click the inner circle. This is private for our members, but I wanted to show this to you guys. Literally, you guys can meet me. I'm going to start uploading more videos here. Probably one video a week of just giving you guys really good masterclass training that I don't do on YouTube. So it's just for you guys. And then we're going to actually be doing some live Zoom calls together as a team starting in March. Oh, do not miss this, guys. It's going to be so much fun. So this is down here at the bottom underneath the inner circle. Definitely start watching those and get in there before we up the price of that. Okay. So let's take a look at the live trades today because this is going to be unlocked with the membership as well. So we're talking about Bitcoin, but you guys can come into any of the coins today and trade this. I will be coming into a few of these today. Probably what I'm going to buy today is Matic and maybe a couple other coins. I'll tell you guys in the Telegram. But here's what you guys are going to do, and this is what I'm going to be doing today. Here's all you guys will do for our trading setup and how to trade with us in our program, okay? You choose the amount that you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000, okay? Split your $1,000 into 4 equal portions and just put it at each buy limit. So literally, you guys set up 4 buy limits in your exchange for $250 each if you have $1,000. Split, whatever amount you want into 4 equal portions and set it up. Great. This is exactly what I'm going to be doing today for the coins that I take. Again, and I'll call that out in Telegram. So once you guys do that, you want to follow me on Telegram and get the indicators. So the Telegram channel, you guys want to come over here and you want to get in here. You want to get in here now. Seriously, I'm going to be calling some trades I'm entering into. I know a lot of you guys like to follow me because you see the account's doing really well. I do believe we have the healthiest account on all of YouTube. Our account is hardly down at all, and I know people who are still down 50, 60%. 150,000 exactly is our break even, so everyone knows this transparently, and I'm able to do this, guys. Literally, I'm pretending you guys are still sitting at my dinner table right now. Like, hey guys, we're gonna make money with really good risk management, and we're gonna have our money in a bull market and a bear market. Okay, so you want to get into the Telegram channel and click this, and you guys will get access. Okay, the indicators real quick. Then I want to talk about one more thing. The indicators you guys saw me use over here, which is how I predict the market moves up and down. You guys remember that divergence I showed you on the daily time frame? I trade on the 4-hour, and that's where I stay. But when we're seeing something like this happen over here, where we're seeing so much money flow in on the daily time frame, this is a huge sign. Guys, this is no joke. This is a very strong sign of divergence, which is the pattern that is a precursor to a $70,000 move. Seriously, that is. If a break happens here, a break and a retest to a previous structure high is 70,000. I absolutely think we can hit that at the end of Q1. That's why I've been stocking up so much lately, like crazy, almost $50,000 worth, okay? The indicators that you guys want to get are these 3 down here. You want to, at minimum, get the price for swell money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. These 3 indicators are going up January 28th. It is January 26th today, okay? You guys literally have 2 days left. You have 2 days left to get these, and you will never be able to get these lower than this price ever again, okay? Make sure you're not missing out on this. I'm not into FOMO stuff, but I am when it comes to tools. When you guys can have tools like this to help you make money in the market, don't sit on this. Get this today and set this up. If you guys want the best deal, which is the reason why I have this up here, the bundle pack is best because this will give you guys 81% off all of our indicators instead of just 60%, which is the sell right now for the individual indicators. So if you guys just clearly just want the best deal possible, get the bundle pack. That will give you all 3 that you need here, and it will give you the other 6 that you guys get basically for free with the membership, with the bundle pack. So the bundle pack will give you access to all of these indicators, extremely powerful ones for Forex that they've honestly never been coded for TradingView before. So make sure you guys are getting that bundle pack today because, guys, these prices are going up in 2 days. Do not miss that, all right? So, overall, guys, I'm injecting money into the market. We're looking bullish. Honestly, this is a bullish sign right here to project a $70,000 move. Now, could this go down? Yes, and this is the last thing I'll say, and I want to wrap this video up right here. You're either in 2 different camps right now. You're either in the camp that you think crypto is going to go to zero and it's going to crash and it's never going to come back, or you're in the camp that thinks crypto has long-term potential. The utility of it is great. The blockchain technology is great, and we're just going to move back up. Let me express something to you guys. You guys see this drop over here? You guys know we've actually been worse than where we're at currently. Like, we went all the way down to like 28,000. We haven't even hit that yet. So actually, this move down is healthier than we've been over here. So I'm not worried about any of these moves. I'm really not. Like, I'm buying this dip like a maniac right now because I know there's millionaires that are going to be made off of this single move back up here. Like, our account's already gone up $5,000 in the last 24 hours. I don't know if you guys have been watching that. It's $5,000 in the last 24 hours. It's pretty insane. Okay. And as we start injecting more money in here, it's just going to go up faster. So guys, make sure you are getting the membership. That's $49 a month. Get into the inner circle. Get into the Telegram channel. Make sure you guys are doing this soon, like now, because it is going to be going up to $95 a month starting February 25th. And we will grandfather everybody in at $49 a month so you can stay there for life. Okay, guys? And then make sure you guys are getting the indicators here. But that's a full overview of how I would look at the charts this morning if you guys were just sitting with me, and I'm bullish. So I would use the buy limits on our website over here, get into some trades. That's my personal opinion, not financial advice. Get into some trades here, guys, and start making money with me because my account's going to go up. It's going to go up with you guys. Break-even entries right here for everyone in this trade. We are not far away whatsoever. So we could be seeing this maybe mid-February, actually breaking above this entry here and all of our trades getting into the profit. And we're going to scream up to 110 to probably 115 trades wins really fast. And then we're going to start making more money after that. So guys, everything you need is in the description. Get those indicators. You have literally 2 days left. I'll see you later. God bless you so much. And I have a couple more videos coming out for you guys today. All right. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.